If you're wondering how you can enable and use split screen on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just open an app which you want to open in split screen view. For an example, I will select the YouTube app. And after you do that, then go to the recent app section. And from here, just tap on the app icon in the recent app section. Now just select open in split screen view. And once you do that, you will open the selected app in a split screen view. Now on the other side, just select any other app which you want to open in a split screen view. For an example, I will select this app. As you can see, we have successfully opened two apps in a split screen view. Now if you have enabled the auto rotate feature, you will be able to change the orientation of the apps by rotating the tablet, just like that. And if you want to increase the size of one window, just drag this three dot to the right or to the left side and you will be able to increase the size of a window, just like that. And if you want to switch the place of the apps, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on the arrow icon. And as you can see, we have switched the place of the apps. Now, if you do not want the apps to be side by side, and if you want to open an app at the top and the other one at the bottom, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on this icon over here. And as you can see, we have opened one app at the top and the other one at the bottom. And also if you tap on the line over here, you will be able to open the app in full screen view. You can also open the selected app in a pop-up view, and you can close the selected app by tapping on the X icon over here. And finally, you have the option to create a shortcut of these two apps on your home screen. Now to do that, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on the star icon. Now you can either add it to your taskbar or you can create a shortcut on the home screen. For an example, I will select home screen. Now if I go to the recent apps section and if I close all the apps, as you can see, we are able to find the shortcut of both of these apps on our home screen. Now just tap on the shortcut and you will be able to open both of these apps again in a split screen view. Just like that. And this is how you can enable and use split screen on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.